let's get ready and try to beat the gummy. I can't believe it's taken me this long to do another one of these videos, but I'm ready. I don't know who's gonna have more fun, me or you. I mean, probably me, but still you. Side note, I am over 21 and I live in California. You're not off to a good start. The brows are looking scary. Ignore those, let's move on. Using this primer serum from P. Louise, I think I really understand the gardening hype now. If you don't know what gardening is, look it up. I'll give you a hint. It's code for something. A little Vaseline lip therapy for under the eyes. This helps prevent any creasing and it just makes your concealer go on so smoothly. I'm just playing around, so mixing the Prada foundation with the House Labs foundation. Let's see if this is a good combo. But in terms of gardening, I think I prefer the liquid form. I've been enjoying some of the drinks that have been coming out. If you partake in the gardening, what is your preferred method? Dominique Cosmetics Concealer in the shade Vanilla Cream. Now, what am I getting ready for, you ask? Absolutely nothing. I'm not leaving my house after this. I'm getting ready for the couch. Brightening things up a little bit with some lighter concealer just in this portion. This is the NYX Fix Stick in the shade Alabaster, I believe. Yeah. Going in with the shade Hello there from Made by Mitchell. This is a great product for any of my pale skin girlies that tend to pull bronzers and contours warmer. This is a great shade. And then going in with the lightest curve case, I'm mixing these two shades together because I barely use this and I want to play. Ooh, I like that. Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This is the Prep and Set one. To set my T-zone, I do a little concoction. This is the One Size pink powder, and then this is my old Givenchy Prisme Libre in like the lightest shade, which I don't like, but mixing these two together, it creates a beautiful shade. I think the lip is gonna be orange today, so let's work around that. I'm gonna use this Beauty Bay Neutrals palette, so pretty, and let's go in with this shade right here as our crease color. Why am I getting nervous that I'm just gonna get hit with it all of a sudden? I got lots of steps to do. White liner by ColourPop. You know what I haven't tried is this Armani eye tint. They sent me the shade number 67S, which looks really pretty. I feel like that is what needs to go on our lid. Ooh. That was insanely easy, and it's kind of a mix of like a brown and a silver shimmer. I love this. An oldie but goodie bronzer blush combo was from Jaclyn Cosmetics. So I'm just gonna get this onto my cheeks. I use the same brush all the time. This is the Makeup by Ariel and Morphe brush. It's beautiful. Is it just me or is my mouth starting to get a little dry? I'm honestly so sad that Jaclyn Cosmetics closed. Wow, I feel so all over the place in this video. To make things mesh that much more, I take a little bit of my blush and get that into the crease. You can see the difference. It adds a little bit of warmth and just ties the look. Another round of setting spray, and while that's drying, go clean your sponge. I want my face to be more dewy, so we're gonna use the Milani Make It Last Dewy. This is the KVD Full Sleeve Mascara, applying to my top and bottom lashes. Am I the only one who does mascara with my neck out all the way? Like, I'm here, I'm not here. I feel like I can see better. That's not a thing. I feel like I'm just gonna have neck problems. Mascara is done, and I think we have arrived, ladies and gentlemen, because I was just thinking about how you get focused, like extra focused. How I know it's happening is like I can tune out all the sounds, you know? Fear I've said too much. We're gonna do our orange lips. I need to finish this. This is the Lasting Sensation MAC lip pencil. I don't even know if they make this anymore. I like to have a little bit of a base underneath, and now I'm going in with our orange lip. One, I think people should wear orange lipstick more often because I love a power orange lipstick. Two, I know I like to overline, but like, why did I overline so much today? Like, it's almost on my chin. That weird thought being said, this is the finished look. Let me know what you think, where you're at, and ooh, let's do some perfume. I'm gonna do a little YSL Black Opium Red. A little sexy scent. That's what I need. That's all, folks. See you later.